Hi, Ganesh back here, Blue Leo Trading Academy of India. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through MoneyBuy demo trading platform. So when it comes to trading, it's really important to start trading with the demo trading. So if you're new to trading or if you have any strategies before you try them in the real market, you have to try them with the demo market, because in case if your strategy not working, you cannot lose real money when you're trading with the paper trading or the demo trading. And also to sharpen your skills, to learn how to trade properly, MoneyBuy is the right platform for. So MoneyBuy have a lot of tools that you can track your trades, and also you can follow some professional traders and top market analysis. So I'm gonna walk you through one video. Mainly I'm gonna show you how to place a trade, but unfortunately the market is closed. So I'm gonna place outside of the market hours. So I'm gonna show you how to use order and how to place a trade. So this is how MoneyBuy interface looks like. Where at the home page you can see it. So MoneyBuy will give you paper account which is valuable of 1 crore rupees. So we'll have a 1 crore rupees money inside this demo account, which is not real. It's only for the practice. So you can use that 1 crore for buying stocks or selling stocks or trading, for intraday trading, also for investment on mutual funds, bonds and fixed deposits. So mainly in this video I'm gonna focus only how to buy the stocks and sell the stocks. And using MoneyBuy you can overcome your fears. So when you're trading in the real market, you always fear of losses, but when you're trading in the trading account like a demo trading system, you will not have any fear, because it's all just a practice and you're not in the real money, you're not trading the real money. So first on the portfolio you can see we have a MySpace portfolio transact history and order book, profit loss statement, and create new portfolio. So when you click the MySpace, you can see we have a 1 crore in the worth. So net worth is 1 crore of your account right now, and you will be ranked according to your gain and loss. So when you're trading, when you're investing, if your stocks performing well, if your strategy working well, you will be ranked, so along with your profit and loss. And here you can see we have a cash in hand 1 crore. So we didn't place any trades so far. And next is activities. When you go to activities, you can see if you bought any trades or if you had any transaction in the past, so you can see them in the activities. So on the activities you can see I sold 10,000 stocks of Vodafone like 2 days before. It was just for a practice. So messages, that's something that you can connect with community, so I will walk you through later. Next is My League. So there is a league, you can participate in the league, you can trade with along with other traders. So you can, if you perform well, you will be displayed your name as a winner on this site. So that is called My League. Next, let's go back to home page. So next is a transact. So here you can use this for placing trade. So you can see stocks, we have mutual funds or bonds or fixed deposits. So you can invest using 1 crore rupees on the stocks, mutual fund, bond and fixed deposit. Next is learn. So on the learn section you can learn what is brokerage, what is GTC order, GTD order, limit order, market order. Because you are just practicing, you need to aware of your order types, what type of order you are placing, what actually the terms used for, like a squared off, short selling, what are these meaning of, you can read them very clearly here. And next we have a league. That's something that after you, if you wanted to join in a league, you can go to the league. Next, leaders, like leader is the top traders or top investors using MoneyBuy who's doing really well. They will be displayed on the leader box, like overall for the day, for a 1 week or 1 month period. So you can have a look at them. Maybe you can also get listed on this if you really done well using MoneyBuy. Next, which is forum, which is really useful for beginners, also for the traders. So when you click the forum, you will be redirected to this page. In this page you can see there is lot of top traders and top investors or top market analysis. So you can follow them, you can see what they're talking about, what stock they're interested in and what stock they're going to predict. And also if you scroll down, you can see people are keep talking about the stock market, keep talking about the particular stock. Also people are giving free signal, like what they're going to trade tomorrow. They might suggest you that buy this stock at the price of this, keep your stop loss as this, so you can sell this stock at this price. So you can follow them and you can use these signals and you can trade it in the MoneyBuy demo system. You can try it whether they are giving a good signal. Maybe you can follow them, maybe they are predicting market like accuracy is over 70% or 80%. It could be good for you. You can see if you see many people buying, many people are debating about particular stocks, and you can follow them. Especially you can follow them, you can see what they're talking about. And this is a really good tool for especially for the beginners, and they can get connect with the like-minded people, they can get connect with the positive mind people, and they can see what other people are doing, what experts are doing. Then it could be give you a hints what you can do better than them, what you can do, like maybe you can follow the trading style, you can understand them. So that is something really good for the beginners. So let's go back to the previous page. So next, the rules is really simple. You will be giving a 1 crore rupees, so you have to invest them according to your strategy or according to whatever you like to. And if you're trading in a intraday trades, your trades will be squared up at the end of the day, so you need to cancel them at the end of the day. If you don't, automatically it will be cancel. Next, the feedback. If you have any problem, if you have any issue, you can just leave a feedback here. So now let's go back and let's see how to place a trade. To place the trade, you have to go to transact and select stock. So I'm going to focus only on the stock today. So once you click this transact, you will be redirected here. So you have to search in the search box and search any stocks. For example, here mentioned Reliance, so I'm going to Idea. The stock right now is trading at 8.11 rupees, and you can see today it was up by 4.92%. It is a really good stock for today, and you can see the volume was really huge what it is today. So next to that, you are seeing cash. This cash meaning here, this is for a long-term trading, like a delivery order. If you wanted to buy this stock and you'd like to keep this for tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or maybe for future, so you have to go with the cash. In case you wanted to do a just intraday trading, just you wanted to buy the stock today and you have to sell the stock same day, then you have to go for intraday. So click here and you can see intraday. And also one thing, when you are trading in a buy, you don't see the sell button here because you cannot sell the stock on the long term. So intraday only will allow you to sell the stock in this platform. So what you have to do, if you wanted to sell any stock, you have to click intraday. So don't get confused what is sell and buy. So when you're placing a new trade, you wanted to place a new sell order, then you have to go for intraday. But so if you already bought some stock, if it is there in your order book, then you can sell them anytime you wanted to. If you wanted to place a new fresh order, then you have to go for intraday for sell especially. For buy, you can go for intraday if you wanted to sell within a day, and if you wanted to long term, then go for a cash. For example, I'm going for a long term. So once you click the buy, you will see this box popped up, and first you will notice quantity. So quantity, just example, if you wanted to buy any like Vodafone Idea, I will choose the 10,000 stocks. So it's 10,000 quantity. Next is the current price. So current price is a market price. You cannot enter any price. So whatever the market price is available right now, that price your orders will be executed. And if the stock market is keep moving, if the price is still fluctuating, you never know what price you're going to enter. So that is something called current price or market price. So what I'd like to see, I'd like to place a limit order. Limit order, you can select your entry, whatever the price you wanted to, you can enter those price here. For example, I wanted to buy this stock if the stock dropped to 8. Now it's 8.11. So if the stock dropped to 8, I would like to buy this stock. So I'm going to enter 8, and you can see total investment I made in this stock. So it's 80,400 rupees. Next is a GTD and a GTC. So GTD is a good till the day or good to cancel. So what it mean here, if you trading a GTD, your order will be cancelled at the same day, and if you place trading with the GTC, the order will be there until you cancel it manually. So that is called GTC and GTD. Next is target. So target is take profit. For example, now I'm gonna enter my trade at 8. So I wanted to exit the trade if the stock hit 10. So if the stock hit 10 rupees, then I will exit the trade with a profit. Then my target will be 10. Then stop loss. If the trade went opposite, what I'd like to do is I would like to exit the trade at 7.5. So 50 paise I'm risking per stock. And next, why you bought this stock, you need to give your strategy or anything. So what I'm going to do is just for practice, I'm gonna enter practice and done. So now you can see your order has been placed, and you can check your pending orders here. So you wanted to, you can go and click here, and also you can go portfolio and you can go to order book. You can see your pending orders. So now you can see my order is on pending. So now it is in the pending order, and if you wanted to cancel or if you wanted to change anything, you can do it very easily. So here you are seeing is a delete button, and also you can modify here. So now the order is in pending. If you wanted to, you can cancel that, or also you can modify using this button. Now my order is pending, so I'm not going to cancel. Once it get triggered, you can also see them in the profit and loss statement, And if you wanted to exit the trade, you can go to profit and loss statement. Also in the order book, you can cancel the order anytime. So this is how you can use MoneyBuy for a demo trading system. I hope this video helped you a lot for learning how to use the MoneyBuy, and this is a new version especially. So now hit the subscribe button and like the video or drop us the comment. And thank you for watching.